Macerator pump is a type of pump that grinds solid waste into small particles and pumps it out through a hose or pipe. It is commonly used in boats, yachts, and marine toilets to discharge sewage safely and efficiently. Now, let's open the macerator pump and take a closer look at what's inside. Blade's macerator chops the waste. As you can see, a large amount of debris has accumulated on the macerator blade. Most of this material is made up of threads and fibers, likely coming from clothing that were accidentally flushed down the toilet. These threads can easily wrap around the blade, causing the pump to slow down or even stop working. This is why it is very important to avoid flushing anything other than human waste and toilet paper into the system. Now let's remove the debris and clean the macerator pump. Once it's clean, we can restore it and make it ready for use again. This is the macerator blade. Its purpose is to grind the feces and solid waste into small particles until it becomes a liquid mixture. Once the waste is liquefied, it is pumped through the system into the sewage holding tank, where it is stored for treatment. After proper handling, and when allowed by regulations, the waste can then be safely pumped out from the yacht into the sea. As you can see, the metal parts are already rusted. This is a clear sign that the macerator pump has been neglected for a long time. But now, we are going to clean and restore it to its original condition so it can be used properly once again. Underneath this steel plate and rubber gasket, there is a rubber impeller. Let's open it up and inspect the impeller carefully, because it might already be worn out or damaged. The condition of the impeller is very important, since it is responsible for pushing the waste through the pump. So this is the rubber impeller. As you can see, it is still in good condition and not damaged. It only needs proper cleaning before we reinstall it. Once cleaned, it will be ready to work efficiently again. Next, we'll open the motor housing and inspect everything inside. We'll check each part carefully, just like we would in a proper workshop, to make sure everything is still in good condition and working properly. A thorough inspection helps ensure the motor will run reliably once the pump is reassembled. What do you think? Can this still be fixed or not? In my opinion, this pump can still be restored to its original working condition. The carbon brushes will be replaced with new ones, and the worn parts will be cleaned and serviced. It's a simple repair job, and once completed, the motor should run properly again.
See you in my next video.